Is there really a trading holy grail? The answer is yes and no, and I'm going to talk more about that right now. So I've been teaching trading for past 8 years, met many different people in Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore, and spoke to different traders. One very common question that I keep getting is, Karen, can you give me a high win rate strategy? Karen, what indicator do you use? Can you give me a good trading indicator? First thing you need to understand is that even Warren Buffett, George Soros, Paul Tudor Jones, Ray Dalio, the top hedge fund managers, billionaires in the world, even they don't win all the time. So why would you expect yourself to completely avoid losses? It's just not realistic. But the problem is, there are people out there selling like what? 100% win rate system, foolproof system. If you have a foolproof system and Warren Buffett does not have one, why aren't you richer than him? That's one thing I'm really curious about, all these years. I realized that the problem of trading industry, okay, the reputation is so tarnished by all these people. To become successful in trading, you need to accept that losses are part and parcel of it, okay, for you to move forward. Because if you keep on holding on to this idea that there's some secret trading indicator out there, there's some secret strategies that professional traders use that I don't have access to unless I pay thousands of dollars, then you wouldn't be able to move forward. The top billionaires in the world, hedge fund managers. Example, Paul Tudor Jones. He has a win rate of around 40 to 55%, and he's the richest trader hedge fund manager in the world. And you are out there finding 80% win rate system, 90% win rate system. Shouldn't your focus be what the professionals focus on, which is risk to reward ratio? Because I can tell you one thing, okay? In my first year of trading, so I went around finding the highest win rate strategy, okay? Then I came across this person who teach 50 straight wins, okay? You won't lose in between these 50 trades when you use my strategy. What is the strategy? Very simple, okay? Whenever you see a little bit of profit, take it. Stop loss? Oh, stop loss, just set it as wide as possible so that the price doesn't hit your stop loss. So I end up getting like 95% win rate, but then that one beautiful day when I wake up, that one trade wiped out my 50 previous consecutive wins. So yes, I got 100% win rate for 50 consecutive times, but it only took one losing trade to wipe out everything, ruin my months of hard work. Then I was like, what is the problem? Such a high win rate, but I'm still losing money. When I decide to focus less on win rate, that is when things start to change. I know it's a little bit hard to process for some beginner traders, but once you've been in this industry for a couple of years, you realize that win rate is just like a very small component of your success. There was one person who taught trading last time. I remember asking him about risk to reward ratio, and he was like, I'm sorry, what's that? And on the other hand, I went back to my university professor. He kept emphasizing on risk to reward ratio, and he was a former professional trader with a bank. He kept emphasizing on it. I'm like, why do you keep focusing on that? When I went to investment banks and talked to the investment bank traders, I realized how important it is. Not only risk to reward ratio, but also risk adjusted returns. Because so many gurus, they post about, or people, okay, they post about 100% ROI a month, okay, 50% ROI a day. What they show you is the 50% ROI returns, okay, just returns. But what they don't show you is that they are risking their whole entire freaking account to get that 50% return. Like risking 100% to get 50%. Does that make sense to you or not? And a lot of retail traders, they don't even focus on risk-adjusted returns. Because if I adjust that risk to that 50% ROI return, you get a negative number. Okay, so if there's no secret strategy, okay? If there's no holy grail, then why is it that so many people preach about it? Like I see so many advertisements about it. Why? Imagine if you're a trading guru, okay? I've been in this industry for 8 years. I've talked to tons of trading gurus. I can see things that are behind the scenes that people in the market don't see. A lot of trading gurus sell courses, right? Thousands of dollars. So let's say an event organizer approach you and be like, can you please sell as many courses as you can so that we can split the profits? I'll bring the people in, I'll reel the fish in. Please create a course that sells like hotcakes. So you go home and think, okay? Then you have 2 ideas. Don't know why 2 ideas, but just 2 ideas. First idea you have is, okay, maybe I could title my course Proven Trading Strategy Course, or something like Secret Holy Grail Trading Indicator Course, or something along the line, okay? Most important keyword is trading strategy indicator, okay? Do you want to sell this? Or do you want to sell this second course? Lot size calculation course. How to manage risk like a pro. Which one do you think is going to sell like hotcakes? Even for you, as a customer, which one would you buy? You know that your secret to being consistently profitable for so many years and not blow your accounts is because you calculate your risk exposure properly, okay? Even though you have a win rate of 50%, 55%. But what really sells well? What really is going to get you more attention? What really is going to cause the audience to sit there and not leave? You sell the first course. Do you see a conflict of interest? It's like you go to a shop to buy a shirt, okay, that says eat, sleep, trade, and then you wear it. Then you ask the sales lady, do I look good in this? Do I look good in this? Every time she sells a shirt, she earns a commission. What do you think she's gonna say? That is the most beautiful t-shirt that you can, once you wear it, you can make millions. That t-shirt is that good. I feel like you should just get it. You know what I'm saying? Even though I feel that it doesn't look that good on you, but because you talk about something that sells, not because you talk about that something that's best for them. Okay? That's why you see so many people talking about trading strategy, technical analysis, not because it's the best thing for you, but because it sells courses, gets more attention, attracts more people to listen. And when a beginner trader comes in to social media, my God, everybody is talking about trading strategy, technical analysis. It must be important. When they lose money, the next thing they do is go find another trading strategy. Then it's like a whole circle that is not going to end unless you completely change your mindset and realize how important risk management, trading psychology is. When I tell you that the secret is having a strong trading psychology to apply proper risk management, does that sound exciting to you? Like, the moment you talk about calculation, lot size management, people be like, I'm not here to attend maths class. So I come here to learn trading and you're gonna teach me math. Are you freaking serious? To succeed in trading, okay, you realize that it requires you to learn things that are boring, dry. That's why people don't make it. Like, you see those people who bought into all these cryptocurrencies, then meme stocks. Studies have shown that most of them didn't bother to educate themselves, don't even care, just bought into the hype and greed. That's it. Maybe they learn one strategy, then they stop learning. I know if I say this to you on camera like this, oh, risk management is so important, trading psychology is so important, most people don't take it seriously because it's like most people need to blow their accounts before they realize, oh, I didn't know that it's that important. You see, professional traders, forex traders, they focus more on fundamental analysis, focus more on sentiment analysis, intermarket analysis, and only a little bit on technical analysis. And yet you're spending so much time going around learning about technical analysis. And you follow them because they preach get rich quick, they say things that are music to your ears. Then after you learn from them, you lose money, then you'll be like, trading is a scam. I can tell you on my trading channel, okay? I haven't even taught everything about technical analysis, okay? I didn't even cover everything that I know. Every single month, there are already tons of people who message me, because of your YouTube videos, I've already become a consistently profitable trader. There are people who told me they bought cars. There are people who told me they got headhunted by a financial company to become an analyst. Whether they paid me or not, I don't really give a shit. But then, like, all these people have one thing in common, is that they don't go around waste time finding the perfect system, and they decide to focus more on fundamental analysis, sentiment analysis, intermarket analysis, risk management, trading psychology. The so-called boring and dry stuff, which takes a longer time to learn. I've mentioned this a lot of times already, and I'm gonna mention again because it still feels like so many people are still being brainwashed. By who? I don't know. Because nowadays, anybody without a finance background can just teach. I went through 5 years of professional speaking training, 3 years of getting a finance degree, and spent 60,000 plus on courses, books, and my own education. If you don't want to learn it the easy way, go and learn it the hard way. Okay? That's all I gotta say. Alright, so with that, talk to you in the next video. Bye.